Let's cook my rough puff pastry. I'm using tiger nut flour for this by Madame Tiger. It is awesome stuff. Now, you can use normal gluten-free flour, some xanthan gum, some sea salt, mix your dry ingredients together, 1 egg white, and then top it up to 130 ml of water. Give it a stir. All the ingredients and the method is in the description, guys. Some extremely cool butter. Now, I chopped this up and I popped it into the freezer. And then we don't want to totally break it up. We want to keep it quite chunky still, but not fully as a cube, if that makes any bloody sense at all. And then slowly add in your water and egg white mixture using a knife. And once you bring it together like this, then flour a work surface slightly. Pop it on some cling film, make a sort of rectangle. My rectangle wasn't great, but I have used my eyesight, so bloody hell, what does it matter? Pop it in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes, and then basically roll it out, fold it like this, like an envelope, pop it back in the fridge for another 15 to 20 minutes, roll it out again, and then from the other side, we're then going to do a fold again, and here presto.